Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hami. So, let's start. Make a decision. I need to make a decision by tomorrow. Do homework. He always does his homework on time. Have lunch. We had lunch at a small cafe. Catch a cold. She caught a cold last weekend. Save time. Using this app will save you time. Pay attention. Please pay attention to the instruction. Lose weight. She wants to lose weight before summer. Make money. He makes money by designing websites. Miss the bus. I missed the bus and had to walk. Get angry. Don't get angry so easily. Keep a promise. He always keeps his promises, like a marriage promise. Break the news. She had to break the news gently. Come prepared. Please come prepared for the interview. Have fun. We had fun at the beach yesterday. Take care and drive safely. Make friends. It's easy to make friends in college. Catch fire. The building caught fire suddenly. Keep in touch. Let's keep in touch after graduation. Break a record. She broke the world record in swimming. Get lost. We got lost in the city. I know that you remember me, but I have gained some weight.